our side, place that captivates your heart. Not just what your eyes can see, something invisible touches your soul. Experience Filipino hospitality for all the world to feel and see.
More than 7,000 wonderful islands calling you. It is everything you've imagined and so much more. If you're looking for love, experience and memories, there's no other place but the Philippines.
Mabuhay!
Salamat!
Tuloy po kayo! Mahal kita! Mahal kita! To love the Philippines!
We say Mabuhay!
Love the Philippines!
We say Salamat po!
Love the Philippines!
We say Tuloy po kayo!
Philippines!
We say
Watch out! Let's go! We don't have much, but we can share what is ours with you. Let me show you around all the sights and sounds. See for yourself, see if it's true. And hey, you might fall in love too. Feel the heat as it touches your skin. Feel the love that comes from deep within. Go now, experience living with us, eating with us, experience loving with us, singing with us. Go to places you never see, amazing places built with the dream. 3 stars in the sun, and this only song and say, I love the Philippines.
The whole world knows our love for music. Let us sing for you. Only the sweetest melody in perfect harmony. La 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 la.
Hello world, we have a song. We have a
Come on, listen to
song.
our music. Come on, let's sing along. Together we can do magic. La 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 la.
Have you ever been in love before? The place, the food, and many more. People treat you like family and make your dream a reality.
You'll find what you are looking for. Embrace the beauty and shining mountains and the sea. You'll fall in love